The fourth annual Namibia Institutional Investors Forum 2025 started today at Swakopmund, running until tomorrow, 7 March. The event brings together key players in finance, pension funds, and asset management to discuss investment strategies for Namibia and Africa. Speaking at the opening, CEO of MN Capital Group, Michael Ndinisa, who realized the event, made it clear that this forum is not just about knowledge and complex discussions. He emphasized that the real goal is for participants to network, make valuable connections, and ultimately make money. This report is from Mirongo Talk.
To network, need to see business cards being exchanged, find out what the other fund is doing compared to what your fund is doing, share ideas. That's the reason why we're here. When we get out of this room, we should be able to say, this was insightful. It shouldn't be one of those topics or one of those conferences that we attend. Let's make sure that when we get out of this room, we have business that we come out with. And we understand what is happening from another fund to the other fund. And let's not come and just sit and walk away with another conference. Oh, we're just at the cost. And we should all participate in the discussion. We should make sure that we interact, we move around, we get to understand who's who. That's why we are here. This is a business conference. It's not a knowledge-only based conference. So we should make money while we are here. That's very important. Am I okay with saying that? Yes, please, let's make some money. I think that's what is important. Let's just not have a talk show. And someone came here and said big words and we uploaded them, but there's nothing to take home for. That won't be a conference. So let's make sure we make some money while we are at this event.